Hello guys, welcome back to my channel which is Explore the Adobe. This is Unaira Hanif and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can use layer mask. I often made tutorials on Photoshop, so I often use layer mask in my tutorials and many of you people don't know how to use layer mask. So on their request I am making this tutorial on layer mask, how you can use layer mask. So here you can see I have this one image. From here, from the bottom of your layer panel, from this is the icon from which you can add layer mask. Here you can see. Now how we work on layer mask. We work on layer mask by brush tool and black and white colors. So as you can see, click on this thumbnail which is your layer mask. Now choose brush. So we work on layer mask by black and white colors. You can simply press Control or Command. No, sorry. You can simply press only D from your keyboard for default colors which are black and white, and you can use X for to exchange your foreground to your background color, like X. Now you can see my foreground color is black and here my background color is white. Again you can use X to exchange them. Now white foreground color. Here first I set my opacity to 100% and flow to 100%, 100 to I think 70 to 80% to show you how we use it. So here black foreground color is used to remove something from image and white is to reapply it. So here you can see my foreground color is black and you have clicked on this layer mask and you are using brush tool. You are simply, if you use black foreground color, as you can see now what is actually happening, my image has been removed simply. So now if you want from a particular image, if you want to remove something, you can use a black foreground color. So if you want to reapply it to bring back your image, you can simply use white as your foreground color, like this. How easily you can simply bring back it. So it is very helpful. It is very helpful when you are taking selection. So first let me delete. You can simply by the right click from your keyboard or mouse, you can delete your layer mask. You can also disable your layer mask. I am deleting. So when you are taking selection, like I am taking selection of my subject by select subject, you can use any selection tool. When you are taking selection, after selecting the particular area, you can also add layer mask. Now your background has been removed. How? Because your selection has been transferred to your layer mask when you have added it. Simply by clicking on your layer mask, you can, even by using your brush and white we use for reapply, you can use white. Here you can see, you can bring your image area back, and by black you can simply remove it after taking the selection. It is so easy to use. So if now again I am deleting it, and now further what you can do with layer mask. So here on this image, from here I am adding a adjustment layer, because when from the layer panel at the bottom, here you can see, when you add any adjustment, solid color, gradient, pattern from here, what happened, like this, I am adding black and white. Here you can see what actually happened. By default there when there is a layer mask, okay, so it is also used as well. Like if you use black as foreground color, what will happen, it will remove the effect. So Actually it works on the layer on which you are adding your layer mask. On the previous one image, on image we have added a layer mask, therefore it was removing and reapplying the image. In this example here there is by default layer mask and it is on the filter, which is black and white filter. So if you now will work on it, it will remove and apply your effect, your filter, your black and white color. So again I am by Control Z. Here you can see now there is a one more magic trick. If you press Control I Command I from your keyboard, on the layer mask you can see my whole effect black and white. It is visible but it is not showing. So what you can do, if you want to apply your filter to or effect to a particular area or anything, you can use this from white foreground color and you can apply it. Here you can see how cool is that. And now if I press Control I Command I, it will invert it. As you can see my effect has been inverted. First I used it here, but now after inverting it, it is totally invert. Okay, so mostly it is used, you can say mostly you use your layer mask in order to blend images. Here you can see, let me give you example. I have such image which is cloud image, you can see. So I place it here. Now if I add layer mask and choose brush tool and you use this brush tool and you work on your these layer mask, you have to set your opacity to flow according to work. Here I am decreasing the opacity to 55% and flow to 45%. Now my foreground color is black. Now it will I have added my layer mask to this cloud image. So now if I work with it, what is happening, it is removing it. So it is used for blending. Here you can see, I think it's okay. Here you can see it is looking much real now, don't you think? Here is before and after. If I disable the layer mask, it was before. If I enable it, here you can see the difference. So we mostly use it for blending options or when you want to apply some filters and effects on a particular image. So I hope your questions are clear now. If you have still any question, you can ask me in comment, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and give your reviews in comment section. Thank you.